Good morning, good morning. I was doing a wellness check on one of my plants today. This is a beautiful cattleya, and I saw the black tips. I've actually been seeing the black tips crawl and get more and more into the leaf, but I had not had a chance to address the situation. This is something that needs to be dealt with immediately. I'm going to cut the black part out. I'm going to cut a little bit more into the green leaf, and the reason being is that I want to make sure that there's no more contamination crawling up into the rest of the leaf and into the pseudobulb. If you notice, that particular pseudobulb has already been affected completely, and it has necrosed. So I'm going to treat this plant today. I'm going to use cinnamon, and maybe tomorrow or the next day, once the cinnamon has completely cured, I'm going to treat it with a fungicide. All right, I'm standing on my ladder now, getting a closer look. There are a couple of areas that definitely need to be treated. And also, I noticed that only one suitable needs to be trimmed back. I was able to get up here and take a good closer look. Yeah, see, on the other side, there's that leaf, but I'm going to treat the entire plant. That's sunburn. That's sunburn. Yep, that's it, folks. That's what we're doing today. We are addressing any issues that this plant has. So here are the cuttings. I cut not only the necrose part, but I also cut into the leaf. And that has to be done so that if there's any infection, it's not traveling anymore. You can see this particular one and that yellow markings on the leaf, that's the infection. So I cut a little bit more. I probably should have done a little more on that one. I'm going to go back and revisit when I go back on the ladder. But I wanted to show you how much of the plant of this particular leaf is done. See, it's dead. So I had to cut it. This particular one, I cut it right at the tip of the pseudobulb. I kept the pseudobulb because the pseudobulb was not infected yet, and the pseudobulb will store energy and nutrients and also and water for the plant. So as long as the pseudobulb is okay, the leaf can be cut. Not a problem. I'm going to go back and revisit the plant, see if I missed anything, and then I'm going to apply hydrogen peroxide to the tip of the cutting, and then I'm going to apply cinnamon. There she is, mission accomplished. I removed all the black tips, put the cinnamon on, and in the next few days I will be spraying her with fungicide, and I will be watching her very closely to make sure that there's no more issues that need to be addressed. If you have a cattleya, please keep your eyes out for black tips and any issues. They're kind of finicky sometimes. I wish you an awesome day. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. And if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe.